Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Please sit down. So, students, do you know what special day today is?
Maths Day, ma'am.
Happy Maths Day, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Thank you.
Ma'am, this day reminds us of the thinkers who shaped our world.
It's very true.
Ma'am. Scientists have created a time machine and great mathematicians from history have traveled through time to 2045. They're here to celebrate Ramanujan's birthday and meet us.
That's amazing. Let us all go to the multimedia hall and meet them.
The students followed their teacher to the multimedia, excited and waited eagerly to meet the mathematicians.
In 2045, technology advanced, unlocking the doors of time.
Today, mathematics brings history alive. Oh, look, the time machine has arrived.
Time machine activated, welcoming legendary mathematicians.
Srinivasa Ramanujan arrives.
Hey, look, Ramanujan has arrived.
Happy birthday, sir.
Thank you, my dear children.
Now, Pythagoras arrives.
Hey Ramanujan, I'm Pythagoras. Wishing you many more happy returns of the day.
Thank you.
Euclid arrives.
Hi, I am Euclid. Happy birthday, Ramanujan.
Thank you.
Archimedes arrives.
Hi, I am Archimedes. Happy birthday, Ramanujan.
Thank you.
Eratosthenes arrives.
Hi, I am Eratosthenes. Happy birthday, Ramanujan.
Thank you.
Brahmagupta arrives.
Hi, I am Brahmagupta. Happy birthday, Ramanujan.
Thank you.
God bless you.
Aryabhatta arrives.
Hi, I am Aryabhatta. Happy birthday, Ramanujan.
Thank you.
Hypatia arrives.
Hi, I am Hypatia. Happy birthday, Ramanujan.
Thank you so much.
Aminotar arrives.
Hi, I am Amy Noiter. Happy birthday, Ramanujan.
Thank you.
Shakuntala Devi arrives.
Hi, I am Shakuntala Devi. Happy birthday, Ramanujan.
Thank you so much.
The students have met the mathematicians. Now it's time for the seminar.
Relationship between triangles and numbers.
That's me. I'm Pythagoras. I believe the numbers rule, the universal. My theories explains the relationship between the sides of the right angle triangle. These ideas were used in construction, architecture and engineering even today.
Ma'am, who organized geometry so clearly?
It's me, Euclid, known as the father of geometry. In my book Elements, I explain about points, lines, angles and shapes step by step. I show that mathematics is built on logic and reasoning. My work helps students learn geometry in a structured way for centuries. So remember, logic and thinking starts with geometry. Thank you.
Who helped us to understand area and volume?
That's me, Archimedes. I studied circles, spheres, and cylinders. I discovered reasons about area, volume, and density. I have also proven that mathematics, when applied, can relate the physical world. My theories still help the scientists even today.
Ma'am, who contributed to prime numbers?
Hi, I am Eratosthenes. I made the sieve of Eratosthenes to find prime numbers. I even measured the earth by just using shadows and maths. So the next time whenever you see numbers, remember they can reveal the world.
Ma'am, then who wrote the rules for zero and negative numbers?
It's me, Brahmagupta. I wrote the rules for zero and negative numbers. I also studied algebra and astronomy, calculated the position of stars and planets. I contributed to proving that math is even in space, and zero and negative numbers also make the world count. Thank you.
Now what about zero? Who discovered zero and placed value? That's me, Aryabhatta. I have explained the concept of zero and the place value system. I have also calculated the value of pi with a great accuracy. These ideas made complex mathematics more simpler and clearer. Modern mathematics would not exist without these foundations.
Ma'am, are there no female mathematicians in the world?
No, I'm Hypatia, the first female mathematician in the world. I lived in ancient Egypt and devoted my life for learning and teaching mathematics. I believe that knowledge should be shared freely with all students.
Who turned algebra into art?
It's me, Amy Noiter. I turned algebra into art and discovered the laws of symmetry that govern the universe. My math is hidden in science, physics, and even technology around you every day. Remember that patterns and equations can reveal the secrets of nature.
Mom, then who amazed the world with mental math?
That's me. I'm Shakuntala Devi. I am also known as the human computer. I demonstrated the power of the human mind with mental calculations. I proved that with confidence, focus, and practice, anyone can improve their mathematical ability. And since I was a kid, mathematical puzzles and riddles were the apple of my eye. I was fascinated by them. So I solved them every day and improved my memory and thinking skills, which led to my success. Thank you.
Ma'am, we met all the mathematicians. But what about the one we celebrate Mathematics Day on their behalf?
I think you're talking about me. I'm Srinivas Ramanujan, and Math Day is celebrated on my birthday. I discovered the number 1729, which is an extremely unique number. I studied deeply about mathematical patterns and number theory. Even though I did not have proper resources, my passion towards mathematics has guided me. Thank you.
Across centuries, mathematics evolved.
Guided by brilliant minds and powerful ideas. Mathematics is timeless and universal.
Students, these great ideas build the legacy of maths. So, with respect to mathematics, let's continue their legacy.